To use a function in Java, we must first define the function. We have already seen this a little bit with the functions we have mapped in our last lesson. For the make sandwich function, we had to define the steps needed to accomplish the given task. Make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For announce developer tea time, we had to define the steps to announce tea time. It's important to remember that just because we are defining a function doesn't mean we are using it. Just because I have given you the instruction on how to make a sandwich doesn't mean you have made a sandwich. This means the way we write this code we will be a little different than the things we have written in the past. Let's try implementing our announce developer ttime function in Java. To define this function, we are going to write code outside the main function for the first time. So I will be writing public static void developer ttime. That's my function name, and I will be using a parenthesis after my function name and then open and closed curly braces. The keyword public, we are not covering that in this course, but we will take a look at the static keyword in our next chapter. Now I need to write some line of code inside my function. Whatever steps I need to give, I will give them here. So as of now, I'm writing ask wait for developer tea time. So to start the developer tea time, what I'm doing, I'm typing any random word on the console and my developer tea time will be started using this function. Now in the next line, I will be using scanner to get the user input. So like we have seen before in our previous chapters, so I will be using the scanner class and system.in to get the user input and then input.next. So this is how I have written my first function. So what it will do, it will ask for the user input to start this function. Like we have implemented this function in this class, but we will call this function in our next video. Now we can use this function in our program.